Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're looking at the alternating German twisted cast-on. It expands on the regular German twisted by using that move for knit stitches and adds the opposite move for purl stitches. This makes it super customizable to match any rib pattern because you can cast on any combination of knit and purls. Start in the slingshot position with a long tail. I like to start with a twist. For a knit stitch, the German twisted. Underneath, both strands on the thumb come down into that loop. Reach over and grab the working yarn, pull it through the bottom part of that X, drop the loop off the thumb and tighten. And for a purl stitch, we're going to do the same thing, just opposite. We're going to come underneath both strands on the index finger, go into that same loop, then reach forward and grab the tail from above and pull it through that bottom part of the X closest to the needle, drop the loop off the index finger and tighten. I'm a little awkward in slow motion. Let's try it again. Underneath both strands on the thumb, come down into that loop, reach over and grab the working yarn, pull it through the bottom part of the X, drop and tighten, and a purl stitch. Under both on the index finger, come down into that loop, reach over and grab the tail and pull it through the bottom part of the X closest to the needle, drop the loop and tighten. You can tighten the index finger loop in a similar way to the thumb loop so you're right back in slingshot position. It's a really stretchy, really nice looking cast on both sides that looks really good with any kind of ribbing because you can cast on any combination of knits and purls. Here it is with 1x1 rib, 2x2, and I snuck in a little bit of 3x2 at the end here. It creates the edge and also one row of knitting, so you start on a wrong side row, and that's all I got. That's the German twisted. Good to have ya. Thanks for watching. Bye.